Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can add Pinterest widgets. In order to add Pinterest widget, what you have to do is just long press on the empty area of your home screen until the app start to pop up. So here on the top left corner you can see the plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and in here search widgets, search for the Pinterest. So when you just swipe it, you can see the home feed, you can see different other options. You can either customize it too. So let's say for instance we use this. Go ahead and tap on add a widget, and after that you can just tap on done and you are done. That's all guys, this is how easily you can add Pinterest widget. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.